with his parents, with her parents indeed. Palakpakan po natin once again, Daddy Eric and Mommy Maya.
Lapit din ako, lapit.
Right at this moment in time, nais kong yakapin mo si Daddy Eric na mahigpit and say thank you for everything. Once again, palakpakan po natin Daddy Eric Reward. Daddy Eric, huwag ka muna pong aalis sa Well, Nato, this is the right time. Once again, stand up. Lapitan mo